Yes. Well, can you feel it? Tax time is drawing near, and many of you have already received your W-2s by now.
That's right. And if you have, what to do next? Do it yourself online, go to a tax preparer for help. There's all kinds of options. And joining us in the studio this morning, money and time savings expert Denise Winston with maybe a couple of tips here to get as many dollars as possible back.
Yes, well, you know, it's all about making sure you get every single deduction you can possibly get.
I hear you there.
You know, I met with Sherry at Kern Tax Service, and she said the number one thing that happens is that people just simply don't have their receipts, or they don't have a designated area. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to make a file. Okay. And you can start, since it's a new year already, you can even start doing this for 2010. But start a file with all of those envelopes that come in the mail that say important tax documents enclosed. Everything goes in the file. So that's the first thing. And when you're going to your tax preparer, try and find one that actually closes. It could even be simply a Ziploc bag, because if you hit your brakes and you're on your way to the tax preparer, everything goes into the floorboard, and you might have a receipt stuck under your seat. And for every $100 in deductions that you have, you would be walking away for at least $28.
Wow.
So it's important to look for them. So the second thing you want to do is look for those deductions. We were talking earlier about, I don't remember what I did, 6 months ago, let alone 11 months ago. So go through your bank statements and look for anything that you made charitable deductions, maybe the items that you had to purchase for work. So bank statements, credit card statements, cash receipts, and for this year, just again, have that receipt envelope in your purse so you don't miss any of those.
And it's perfect time now if people haven't, are not prepared for this tax season, but for next tax season, they could start now, get organized.
And make sure you get all of your deductions, $28 for every 100, and that's the low end. So it could be more. And then you get to make your appointment.
That's right. Show the bag again that you were suggesting for the...
I really like this. This actually is really nice. It closes. So that's a
there.
good one, or simply a Ziploc bag. And these are in your house already. And for next year, 2010, just get a regular folder and put it in a file. And as you do take things to Goodwill, or as you make deductions or buy, pancake breakfast, that type of thing, all of those receipts would go into your file so that next year you make sure you have them. And if you carry a receipt envelope in your purse or in your car, you're not going to miss anything next year.
You see that? We found something that an iPad and a tablet can't do. Just like that, we discovered it.
There is a scanner that you can scan receipts, so that's an option too.
Yeah.
There are technical items.
It's about being organized, and it's just little things, even a Ziploc bag. So
that's all it takes.
Yeah.
Very good. Denise Winston, thanks for coming in this morning.
Pleasure to be here.
Appreciate it.
Good one.
All right. A massive Times Square billboard featuring the president was removed. It was being used to market a jacket. And those kinds of presidential coattails proved to be too much.